Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will get to know how we can use Canon camera that is far away there in the window. And I'm using a cable. That cable is here. So it goes from this place to there. And that's a free software used that is called Canon Utility. If you're using a Canon camera and you want to use that camera as a webcam in OBS Studio, then this video is for you. I'll be guiding you how you can download the software and switch between two different scenes or three or four or five, six, seven scenes. Let's say I'm pressing some buttons, I shifted to another scene, and now I'm back to the camera. So you can set some hotkeys inside OBS Studio, switch between different scenes, and get your face captured as well. So let's back to the number one. I'm scene number one, and here I am on the website. The Canon website has different versions from Canadians, from Europeans, and for the USA people. So go to any of these websites and download EOS Webcam Utility Pro. After that, you install that software. That is here. I already installed, and you can see I am here on the camera on my screen. So after downloading an installation, you just go and plug in your USB or Type-C, whatever cable you are using with your camera, and you are good to go. It's a free plan. If you want to get the subscription, that is $4 a month and $49 for 1 year. But you can do live streaming or just use DSLR camera as a webcam if you're using a free version. That's one person is completely free. But if you want to add more sources, for example, like I have a camera here, here, everywhere, 5, 6 cameras, I'm not that rich. So I have only one Canon 90D that is connected there. So if you want to have multiple cameras, then you can go for that. Once you launch this app, go minimize this one. Now open OBS Studio. Here I was recording. And here I have different sources. Let's say this is another one. And I'm gonna create a new test. So I just copied my microphone and screen capture here, and we are in the test source. Now what we need to do, just go to plus icon, remember to install the utility first, and then go to video capture device, and you can name it test Canon. You could have any DSLR. This is Canon. All right, so here you need to choose from the drop-down list. I have Canon EOS Utility, and after that, hit enter. You are good to go. Just bring this to the entire screen. That's it. Very simple. You can sync all of your microphones and things there and use it for your tutorials or video editing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.